Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today I would like to share with you a very interesting story. One of my students came to me and told me, "Sir, we can learn English in the class. You can teach English, but when you say that you need to practice, how can I practice? When I go and try to practice with my room partners, they laugh at us, they make a joke of us. And if I talk with my friends, they want to make me happy. So initially they seem interested, but later on they feel boring because they want to talk with me, they want to enjoy, and that feeling they can't get in English. And my family members, oh, they mock badly when I try to speak English. And when I talk in English with a new person, I have the feeling like, what would they think about me? Uh, if I made mistake, what would happen? So these kind of feelings I have. What should I do? How I can practice? I don't have English environment around me. Nobody speaks English in my surrounding. How can I practice? If this is your problem as well, so here is the idea you can use and you can beef up your English. English communication is very important, as we all know, and for that we need to learn and we need to practice what we learn. So for practicing, talk in English with everybody who you think can understand English, no matter what language the other person replies. You need to forget that you know Hindi or you know your mother tongue. You need to keep talking in English with everybody who can understand English, because learning English is your mission, not everybody else. You can't make the whole world talk in English because you want to learn English. So you want to learn English, so you must speak. If somebody wants to learn Arabic, he must speak Arabic all day. This applies to every language. It is not a fundamental of only English. So if you want to learn any language, you have to make that language your shout, your daily routine. Every day you need to speak 1 or 2 hours. I must say, like, just speak in English only. What's the harm in that? Then you would realize that only few people are there who don't understand English. Most people understand. You need to just start talking, start speaking, and you need to develop the immune that what other people are going to say, what other people are going to think, it's their problem. Don't think about other people's problem. Just keep focusing on what you want to do and keep doing it. Keep talking in English with every person you think that person can understand English. You need to keep talking because learning is your mission. Don't forget it. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.